How's it going, guys? Today we're in the kitchen and we're cooking up a special meal. And of course, that dish we're making today, it's going to be pepper pot. Now, for most West Indian, Guyanese people, this is a must-have on Christmas morning. And today we're gonna learn how to make it. Right, guys?
Yep.
Yep, and Beeves is gonna be teaching me and Aiden how to do that. Now, before I met my husband, I knew nothing about this meal, so today we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna learn all the details about it, and hopefully we're gonna be cooking it on Christmas morning together. All right, so Beebs went ahead and she got all her ingredients laid out already. Make this process go a little smoother. All right, so let's get started. What do we have going on?
Oxtail in the pot.
Oh.
Put all your ingredients in.
All right, we're gonna start off with some fresh tomatoes, onions, some fine leaf thyme from our garden. We have some celery, scallions, tomato paste, garlic. We're gonna get
Good job. So now you're gonna put a teaspoonful of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper, cassareep,
this good. That is looking good already.
add the tomato paste. Don't put the spoon away. You're gonna need it back. All right. So now we're gonna bring it to the fire. We're gonna start to cook the meat up a little bit.
Okay, and we're going outside.
It get hot. Turn it up. Mix it up. So we're gonna fry the meat until it's nice and dry, and then we're gonna add the stock.
Right. What's the word that you guys use?
Saute.
Saute, engage.
It's looking good. Right. Oh wow, that is looking amazing. What do you think, Jay? It's ready? I think it's ready for the broth.
Very good. So now you're gonna pour the
You got it?
good stuff in there.
Can I turn? Can I turn? Oh, look at that piece of oxtail. I think that's gonna be my piece. Oh, we're gonna be fighting over that one piece. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. Huh? Oh wow, here. That is looking good. There's gonna be some fighting over who's gonna be eating what here.
Fighting.
Okay,
I might take this
some more
entire
water
thing for
in
myself.
there.
Some more
So
water.
fresh it. Okay.
That's not bad. Goodness. Turn it up, Trey, so everything could get mixed in. Get all the corners, all that goodness.
Okay, and
now
you
we
need more cassareep in there. Full the spoon. You need more.
Wow, that's a lot of cassareep.
Yeah, that's it.
All right.
Okay. Mix it in. You gotta get the right texture.
Seems pretty easy, Jay. You think
Yeah.
you're gonna make it Christmas morning?
Make it any
Give
morning.
Grandma a break?
Yeah, I can cook it any morning.
Awesome. That is
Looking
looking
good?
good.
Color's looking good.
I think so. What do you think? I mean, this is your
And
specialty.
now you need some more.
A little more?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, you
Another
go.
spoonful and you'll be good.
Maybe start with half.
Okay.
That's it.
There you go.
So, for those of you who don't know what cassareep is, it's made out of cassava, which is also known as yuca.
Perfect color. Perfect color.
Yep, and like I said, this is a staple dish on Christmas morning for almost every Guyanese. I guess I was the one Guyanese person that did not know about this until I joined this family. But good job, JJ. Good job. At pressure.
Yeah.
And come back to it in about 30 minutes. How long? How many?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. Whoa. Oh my gosh, if you guys could smell what we're smelling right now. Let me see, could you give me an expression on your face, what it smells like? What does it smell like?
Yummy.
All right, Grandma sent you delivery. You take a bite. Take a bite.
No.
Take a bite. Jay.
Sugar.
A little bit of brown sugar, maybe 1 teaspoon. And a big balafaya pepper. Is that how you say it? Balafaya?
Yeah.
Can you say it, Jay?
Ball of fire.
There you go. Wow, that is, it's smelling really good. We're gonna let that, how long do we let this cook down?
Okay. And we need like a minute to pressure back again, and that's it.
Okay, we're gonna pressure again.
1 minute.
Okay, not 1 minute, but maybe 1 whistle. Of the pressure cooker, is that how it goes? 1 whistle is what we're saying. Careful, JJ, careful. Alright guys, well that is it for the pepper pots. It's all simple ingredients. I think the hardest thing is just finding some cassareep, which is in every Caribbean store these days. So I hope you guys try this recipe. I hope you like it, enjoy it, comment, let us know. I know my boys love it. They look forward to that every Christmas morning. As you could see, Jay can't get enough right now. He can't even speak. Well, how is it?
Delicious as always.
Yep, so you know this recipe, you got it down pack. You're
Look
gonna
at
make
every
it
day.
Christmas morning.
Every day, every weekend, every month.